dear viewers. So, me and Harun made some fridge magnets about some time ago, and I want to show them to you. Okay, so here's mine. A lovely bluebell bouquet. This is Harun's. His first ever unusual painting. Using a toothbrush and some paint to flicker it all like stars in the sky. Here's one of mine, which is a quilling one. And if you guys didn't know, I do quilling. Here's something Harun did, which I'm very proud to call good. And here's another one of an old tree. I really like that it's 3D. And here's another painting of a tree. I like those birds, they're chubby. And finally, mine's again, which is a butterfly and somehow a green coaster sky. But like I say, you can choose whichever background you like. So, that's all for today. Make sure to like, share, subscribe.